A plant-based diet has numerous health benefits, contributing to overall well-being. Here are some key advantages. 1. Heart health. Plant-based diets are often associated with lower levels of saturated fats and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. The abundance of fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals in plant-based foods supports cardiovascular health. 2. Weight management. Plant-based diets are typically lower in calorie density and higher in fiber, which can contribute to weight management and a lower risk of obesity. 3. Blood sugar control. Plant-based diets may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. The fiber-rich content of plant-based foods helps stabilize blood glucose levels. 4. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that a plant-based diet may be associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, possibly due to the high intake of antioxidants and phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Digestive health. The fiber in plant-based foods promotes a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. This can also contribute to a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Plant-based diets are often rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 7. Improved nutrient intake. Plant-based diets encourage a diverse intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, providing a wide range of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 8. Environmental sustainability. Plant-based diets generally have a lower environmental impact compared to diets high in animal products. Choosing plant-based options can contribute to sustainable and eco-friendly food choices. It's important to note that a well-balanced plant-based diet requires careful attention to ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients, such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is advisable when making significant dietary changes.